In this guide, I'll show you how to increase the brightness in Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is just head inside of a Roblox game, and in the top left hand side, we're going to click this icon to bring up the settings menu. From the top navigation, click on settings and then scroll down till you see graphics mode, and you need to ensure this is set to manual. Now that we have graphics mode set to manual, we're going to bring the graphics quality all the way up to the top here. So once you've set graphics quality all the way up to its highest, you then want to reduce the background transparency all the way to the bottom number. You can see the difference here. When I set this number all the way to the maximum, it looks pretty dark, and then if I reduce this all the way down like so, it increases the brightness. So once you've ensured your graphics quality is set to the highest and background transparency set to the lowest, you can then close out of here to save all of your changes. And the second step is we're just going to minimize the Roblox application, head over to your desktop and right click and select display settings. Then in the brightness and color section, come down to HDR and select this, and right at the top here you'll see this slider, and this is also another way that we can increase our brightness. So I'm just going to bring this all the way up to its highest setting like so, and then we can close out of here, head back over to Roblox, and as you can see the game is now much brighter. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.